thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and also subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video, and God bless. Bye.